the kings and queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. In today's episode, I will break it to you. We're reaching 11K. I'm so sorry, don't hate me. I'm just following what the market is giving me. So please guys, don't be upset, even if I know there's a lot of people that struggle with this right now. But we're following what the market is giving us, and it actually looks like we are reaching 11K, okay? With time. Doesn't have to happen today. It doesn't have to happen tomorrow or the next day. But if we go down to the lower time frames right now, what we can see is that we're reaching some levels around $16,500 and $15,800. This is where I expect the market to pull back down to give us a small pullback, and we will not see the pullback right now, but maybe tomorrow when we have the morning live stream. But we're waiting for the market to give us a pullback, because even if the market continues to drop, we can still go in for some short position, okay? Don't forget, I am no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first. But please guys, continue looking at this video and I'll show you exactly what I see right now on BTC and on Ethereum. Okay, so we are going down. We never saw a retest. The market is retesting 16,700 at the moment, 16,800 on BTC. And we are going to the target that I've been talking about for a long time. And I know there's a lot of other people that also been talking about it. And I think this is actually the momentum to where we will see the market continue to drop. We will have some news coming out tomorrow. If you go to my FX book, this is usually where I look at the news where it comes out, and within 18 hours from now, I'm recording this on the 9th of November, and we have a lot of news coming out tomorrow that will affect the market. We will have a high impact on the market. And you know, we've seen the dump today. We've had okay, so it's Wednesday and we've had this crazy drop at the moment, okay? The level that we're retesting right now is based on a Fibonacci level that I took from the previous highest point to the lowest point, and you can see how the minus 27 right now got retested. So this is why the Fibonacci is so good, guys, and I highly recommend you to start to learn how to use Fibonacci, because Fibonacci is giving you so many good levels where you'll see how the market is reacting to it. And we actually saw the market reacting from here. This was the beginning for the market to drop back down to this level. We saw another small leg retested this Fibonacci level that we also have. So this was also a Fibonacci level. You can see the little box that I have at 20,500. And now you can see how the market today take profit that I did expect the market to drop down to. So now we understand the overall movement. The market pulled back up to the 61.8%. Long time ago, this was back in the beginning of September at 22,700, and now almost a month after, we've seen the market retest the levels. Right now what we're looking at is, of course, we want to see, based on the news that we have tomorrow, we obviously want to go down to the lower time frames around the 4 hourly to see where the market is. But at the moment, overall, what I want us to start off by saying is that the next level for us to reach, because the market is always going from one level to another level, and the next level we have is around 11K. This is definitely a level that I do expect the market to drop down to, and I know that maybe that sounds a little bit crazy to some people, because I know there's a lot of people that have their positions on and maybe are freaking out. But please guys, don't let the emotions take you, okay? I know that it's about money, but at the end of the day, you are still a human being and you are worth everything, whether you have money or not, whether the market goes down or not. So please guys, don't make, even I know it's really hard, but please guys, you have to understand you are the worthy one. Okay? Don't think that you are worthy something just because you have money. Don't feel less worthy now when the market goes down and maybe your portfolio is getting smaller. This is a big test for everyone, because we know how this is affecting everyone. Don't let it affect you. At least try. And when I say try, just try to let it go. Feel the feelings, be sad, whatever, but don't let it control your day. You have to let that go. Promise me this, guys, because I know know it's tough. Well, either way, I'm gonna continue to give you some bad news. If you don't want the market to continue down, we're going down to 11K. This is where I do believe that we can pull back down to. If we're just going to the left, because we want to see what potential levels we are retesting at the moment, and you can see that if we're just zooming in on the 4-hourly chart when we're going back in time, you can see right now that we have a previous resistance, support, a support, a support, and right now this is the level that you can see. If we just go back to where we're at, this is where we are reaching right now. So I would say let the market continue to drop down to 16,456, and we're reaching that level right now as we're speaking about it. So we have the market also at the level at 15,740, and we just drag it back up to the level at 15,960. So if we are breaking this level, which we will obviously do, but maybe we'll see some resistance soon. We'll see the market maybe have some small pullback, because right now what we have is just a falling knife. And what have we learned from a falling knife? If you've been on my live streams and my YouTube channel, is that we're never catching a knife falling. That means never going for a position on the market when the market's just dropping. If you don't have a rejection, please guys, stay away from the market. Let the market just continue to drop, and then when you see the market give you a pullback, that's where we start to look at the market from a perspective of maybe I'm going short on the market, because the market is obviously going down. We're looking at the levels between $16,500 and $15,800. So these are the two levels that I'm looking at right now when it comes to BTC that I think is extremely important for us to have some focus on. When it comes to Ethereum, we have the same thing. We're starting off with the weekly chart, and we are right now breaking below the level, the support trend line, and we are almost reaching one of my Fibonacci levels that I also did expect the market to drop down to, which is $1,090. The next level, when it's 11K for BTC, what we're looking at on Ethereum is $460, okay, around this level. So we're definitely continuing to drop right now, because as I said, we have such volatility to the downside. When we're looking at Ethereum, and you can already see how the market has been retesting the support trend line, and you can also see how the market broke this level that I spoke about in today's morning live streams at 1,290. The market just continued to fall down, and what we're looking at right now, we can definitely continue to drop to 1,090 for the potential retest, okay? And from that, we just might see the market pull back up again and retest the support trend line that we have from the weekly chart. But right now, as I said, just let everything continue to drop from here, because we're waiting for the market to give us something like this for us to be able to catch a short position, right? The market then continues down, okay? So I would be extremely careful with going long in the market at the moment, because the market, as I said, is just going down. We're waiting for the market to continue to drop, and then we're waiting for the market to continue to drop for then give us a pullback, and it's on the pullback that we're starting to dive in deeper into where we can find another entry. Even if the market is going down right now, you can still use BYBIT as a platform to trade on, which is really good. This is a good platform for anyone that wants to have low fees while trading. You can gain a bonus up to 30K at the moment. We've changed the bonus. I think this is the highest bonus that we've ever had. We went from 4,380 up to 30K. This is a leverage trading platform, so please always be careful, know what risk management is, and see what your account are able to handle when you're putting your positions on. But as I said, you have the bonus in the description down below the video, and you also have it right here in the corner. Thank you so much guys for looking at this video together with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time or when I do have my daily updates. If you are new to the channel, super welcome. I already love you, okay? We see each other in tomorrow's live stream at 8 a.m. CET time, 1 hour before London session, so we can see what the market has been doing. Have a great day everyone. I love you. Mwah, from Sweden.